Have you ever wondered if you can create amazing animated videos in Blender without spending hours learning 3D design? Well, here's the exciting part. You can actually use Claude AI to speed up the entire process. Let me show you how. First, open Claude AI and describe the video you want to create. Be as specific as possible. For example, you can say, create a cinematic animation of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and dramatic camera movements. Claude AI can generate detailed scene descriptions, storyboards, camera angles, animation ideas, and even Blender Python scripts. This saves a huge amount of time because you're no longer starting from a blank screen. Next, copy the generated scene instructions and open Blender. Inside Blender, use Claude's scene descriptions to build your environment. If Claude generated Python code, go to Blender's scripting tab and paste the code. In many cases, this can automatically create objects, lights, cameras, and other elements for your project. Now comes the fun part. Ask Claude AI to generate additional prompts for character animations, camera movements, lighting setups, and visual effects. Instead of manually figuring everything out, you're basically using AI as your creative assistant. Once your scene looks good, set up your render settings. Claude can even recommend the best render settings based on your computer's hardware and the type of video you're creating. After rendering, you can use Claude AI again to generate voiceover scripts, video titles, descriptions, and even thumbnail text for YouTube. Think about it. A few years ago, creating a professional-looking 3D animation required an entire team. Today, with Blender and Claude AI, a single person can create impressive videos from home. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, content creator, or someone who just wants to learn a new skill, this combination can dramatically reduce production time and help you create better content faster. So if you've never tried Blender with Claude AI before, now is the perfect time to start. You might be surprised by how much AI can help turn your ideas into stunning videos.